Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to find Atomic Wallet address. To find your Atomic Wallet address, first of all, open up the Atomic Wallet app on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged into your wallet by entering your wallet's password. After you are done typing down your password, tap Login to access your wallet. Now, from your wallet page, choose a specific cryptocurrency for which you want to find the address. I'm just gonna select BTC today. After you tap on any one specific cryptocurrency, you will be able to see a Receive button at the bottom left. Tap on Receive, and you will be presented with your wallet address along with the QR code. Your wallet address will be displayed right beneath your QR code. Tap on the Copy button at the bottom left to manually copy the address to your clipboard. Now you can share this wallet address with anyone if you intend to receive funds from them. Also, anyone can scan this QR code and send you Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies that you've chosen. Remember that each cryptocurrency has a different wallet address, so if you are trying to receive some Ethereum, you will need to share your Ethereum wallet address. That is how you can easily find your wallet address on Atomic Wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.